This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use simple moisturizer on your face. Moisturizing is a fundamental step for healthy skin, offering numerous benefits. It deeply hydrates your skin, preventing dryness and flakiness, which can lead to discomfort. Furthermore, it establishes a protective barrier against environmental stressors, like pollution. Consistent application can significantly improve your skin's texture, making it feel smoother and appear more radiant. Ultimately, it helps maintain a balanced and healthy complexion, essential for a youthful glow. Choosing the right moisturizer is crucial for optimal results. First, identify your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, combination, or sensitive. For those prone to breakouts, always select a non-comedogenic formula to ensure it won't clog your pores. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid are excellent for drawing and retaining moisture, providing deep hydration. If you have sensitive skin, fragrance-free options are best to minimize irritation. A good moisturizer should feel comfortable and absorb well, leaving your skin soft. Applying moisturizer correctly maximizes its benefits. Always begin with a thoroughly cleansed face to remove any impurities or makeup. For best absorption, apply your moisturizer to slightly damp skin, as this helps lock in moisture. You only need a small amount, typically a pea-sized dollop, to cover your entire face and neck. Gently massage the product into your skin using upward, circular motions. This technique helps stimulate blood flow and ensures even distribution, promoting a healthy, radiant look. For the best results, consistency is absolutely key. Make it a habit to apply your moisturizer twice daily, once in the morning and again before bed. Remember to extend the application beyond your face, covering your neck and décolletage, as these areas also need hydration. Before applying any makeup, allow a few minutes, perhaps 5 to 10, for the moisturizer to fully absorb into your skin. This ensures a smooth canvas and prevents product pilling, contributing to long-term skin health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.